Benefits and purposes of banana for hair and skin. Natural moisturizer for that skin. Go ahead and take finely ripe banana and mash the banana, put it on within the dry skin and face. Wash it after 10-15 minutes. The banana provides the vitamina keeps moisturizes your skin. Homemade natural moisturizer using the beauty advantages of banana. Eye puffiness with banana. Go ahead and take peel from the banana. Cut the peel into small pieces, rub the interior side from the peel around the puffy eyes. Rub underneath the eyes for 510 minutes, then washes the face area. The potassium helps you to reduce the puffiness underneath the eyes. You should use the mashed banana rather from the banana peel to reduce the puffy eyes. Treat broken hair with banana. Banana may be the natural hair conditioner. Go ahead and take ripe banana and coconut milk within the bowl. Combine the components and affect your hair. Wash hair after 10 minutes. If Indian gooseberry juice can be getted, adding the Indian gooseberry juice towards the above mix. Hair thinning control using the banana. Go ahead and take ripe banana and mash the banana right into a paste, add some 1/2 cup of curd into it. Apply this smooth paste around the scalp. It will help to manage the itchy scalp and prevents your hair loss. Assists in keeping bloodstream pressure in check. Banana is the fact that one fruit that is wealthy in calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It's an important element to improve your health to help keep the bloodstream sugar in check. It has been established that use of calcium, potassium, and magnesium keeps your bloodstream pressure in check, helping in managing the bloodstream sugar levels.